Welcome back to Brazen Brits. We have a new toy. Now this is the TurboAnt R9, which is the all-terrain scooter. Now we had the M10 Pro, or we have the M10 Pro, and it's fantastic, but this has a few things that I think we're going to use. Now the biggest thing about this is it is for all-terrain, and we've been testing it around and it's actually very good. Now the big things about this is it has front and rear suspension, which makes a big difference. And it's got the all-terrain tyres, which is actually really good because the other ones have flat tyres, great for road use, but when you're on gravel or sand, it doesn't give you a lot of confidence, whereas this is superb. So as well as being all-terrain, it has a few other things that are pretty handy. The first one being it has a rear light and a front light with a brake light. It also has indicators that beep, so you know they're on. It has a horn, and it has a front and rear brake. Which our other one doesn't have, that we really love, and we'll explain why in a moment.
So straight out of the box, you obviously get the scooter itself. You actually get some assembly nuts and bolts, and I think this only took like six screws or something to do. You get a little valve kit actually as well for the tyre, so you can use a bike pump with it. It has this little clip on the side that you just unclip so it locks in place. Flick it up, clip it in, super easy. And then it's locked back in so it doesn't move. And then obviously you get the DC charging unit too.
All right, no surprises. This works perfectly on tarmac, but where it really excels is off-road. Now this is more than a 20% incline, but it's making it perfect. And that is no problem at all. So the reason it works so well off-road is it does have front and rear suspension, as we said, but it also has 10-inch tires with all-terrain tires on there, which makes a big difference. Now the other thing it has is a 500 watt brushless motor, which is pushing this, which is a lot more than we've seen before. And the actual foot pad that you stand on is much wider than most before, which is really good, so that you can kind of stand sideways on it instead of always being like this. But here's the question that everyone always asks. The first question is always, how fast does it go? And this does a top speed of 28 miles an hour. But it has 3 settings, so you can have a walking pace setting, which is very calm, very gentle. You can have a kind of running pace, and then you have the top speed, which is 28 miles an hour. Another question people always ask is the range. So this has a 35-mile range, which is incredible. That means if you're at an RV site and you need to run down to the gas station or something like that, then you can easily make that just to pick up some stuff. We use this a lot when we're in campsites, if we're camping with friends, or if we want to go take the trash out or something like that. So this is really good around the campsite. It also has a 275-pound load capacity, which is not necessary for me, but maybe one day, but that's pretty impressive. And it also has a 12.5 amp hour lithium battery. It takes about 6 hours to charge from completely empty to completely full. So historically we've had e-bikes where we have put on the back of our RV, and we have converted to scooters. And TurboAnt was the first one that we got. This is obviously the new version. There's a couple of reasons why. One, they are so easy to load and unload. They also fit in the back of the truck, like Natalie showed you earlier. You can just clip this down, clip that on, and it will fit right under here. It needs to be leant over a little bit, but it fits right in. So we now have 2. It takes up a lot less space. The only thing is, obviously, it's got a big lithium battery in here, so it is about 50 pounds just to lift up and in, so be wary of that. But other than that, I think this is far better than the e-bikes that we used to use. Far more convenient and easier to ride, actually. All right, so the other big question that people ask is the price. Now, I'll give you a couple of minutes, but it does come with free shipping and a 30-day return window. And the total price of this is $549. So, in all transparency, TurboAnt sent us to this for free for this review, but they did ask us to give an honest review at the end of what we think of it.
Yeah.
I mean, I think my view is pretty obvious. I love the thing, I love the other one that we have, and I really love the suspension and the big tyres. It gives me a lot of confidence. But Natalie...
He's lying, he misses the bell.
I missed the bell. Like this has a horn, but the other one had a bell, and it was much more annoying, and I like to annoy people with it, but I do like the bell.
I am going to be very honest. I prefer the streamline of the M10 for me. I'm a bit smaller and I like the smallness of the other scooter. This feels really big and quite chunky and overwhelming to me, but it does feel more sturdy. And I definitely prefer this when I'm taking Twix for the little rides because it has the front and rear brakes, so I can still hold the dog. And when we go on gravel, like we did at the RV rally, this would have been way more stable.
Yeah. No, I agree. And weirdly, you say that, but this is no different in size from the other one. It's just a bit chunkier.
It feels it.
Natalie keeps saying it's too big, and I'm like, it's not. It's exactly the same size.
That's what she said.
I much prefer this. If I had to choose one, it would be this all day, for sure. But I mean, they're both excellent. You did mention one point that I forgot to mention. I wanted to talk about it a bit more. Is it has front and rear brakes. You may not think that's a big deal, but I don't like having just a front brake because if that locks up and you're on sand or something, you come off immediately. If you use the back brake, it kind of drags. Not that that's really an issue, or you really probably shouldn't be going that fast anyway. But the big thing is Twix loves to run alongside this. And so depending on which side she's on, it means you have a brake either way. So that is actually a really big thing and a really good feature. One reason why I love this so much. So overall, I mean, for the price, you just can't beat it. I think it's fantastic.
Agreed.
So thank you, TurboAnt. Anyway, we hope this helps. We went to the RV rally and there were tons of TurboAnts there. So we know that there's a lot of people interested in this. We hope this helped. Fantastic machine, really good. I don't see any reason to get anything else, if I'm honest.